Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: networking in the clouds, cloud networking basics and beyond. Alright, future data center pros, gather round. Today we're kicking off networking in the clouds. You've seen traditional networking, racks, cables, blinking lights. But what happens when all that awesome networking magic goes virtual? It's like moving from a cozy single-family home, your traditional data center, to a super high-tech, customizable apartment complex. The cloud. No physical cables. Just pure networking wizardry. And guess what? It's not nearly as scary as it sounds, it's actually super cool. Let's bust the biggest myth. The cloud isn't some ethereal, invisible force. It's literally just a bunch of servers and networking gear in a giant data center, owned and managed by someone else, like AWS, Azure, GCP. Our job? To learn how to build our own little digital playgrounds within their massive infrastructure. Think of it as renting a really fancy, flexible server room where you can conjure up networks with a few clicks instead of a screwdriver. How do we even get computers and networks in the cloud? Meet your fundamental building blocks. First, virtual machines, VMs. These are your virtual servers, just like the physical ones, but software defined. Then, for networking, we have virtual networks, VNETs in Azure, VPCs in AWS. These are your own isolated, private networks within the cloud provider's world. Imagine VMs as your Lego people, and VNETs as the custom Lego city you build for them to live and talk in. Just like your home network or office network, everything in the cloud needs an IP address to communicate. We'll dive into how cloud providers handle IP addressing, including private IPs, for internal chatter within your VNET, and public IPs, for when your cloud resources need to chat with the big bad internet. We'll also touch on NAT, network address translation, and maybe even elastic IPs because sometimes you want a public IP that sticks around, even if your server takes a nap. So you've got your VNET VPC. But how do you organize it? Enter subnets. These are subdivisions of your VNET, like different floors or wings in your apartment complex. You might put your web servers on one subnet, your database servers on another, giving you more control and security. It's all about logical segmentation, making your cloud network tidy, efficient, and easier to manage. No tangled cables here, just smart design. Security is huge in the cloud. We've got two main bouncers to protect our resources: security groups and network access control lists, NACLs. Security groups are like personal bodyguards for your VMs. They inspect traffic trying to get in or out of a specific virtual machine. NACLs are like the building security for an entire subnet. They're stateless, checking every single packet both ways. We'll break down the differences and when to use each to keep your cloud fortress safe. Once your cloud network is set up, how does it talk to the internet? Or even your office? We'll explore internet gateways, your cloud's main highway exit to the internet, and virtual private networks, VPNs. VPNs are like secure, encrypted tunnels that let your on-premise network and your cloud network chat privately, as if they were in the same room. Super handy for hybrid setups without exposing everything to the public internet. Want your cloud applications to be lightning fast and always available? We'll wrap up with a quick peek at load balancers and content delivery networks, CDNs. Load balancers are like expert traffic cops, distributing incoming requests across multiple servers so no single server gets overwhelmed. CDNs are like having mini warehouses for your website content all over the world. ensuring users get data from the closest possible location. Think speed, reliability, and happy users. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.